Hello guys, good morning.
Hi, I hope you are all doing well. It's a new video here, and as you saw in the last video, we slept here in our house, and it was a very difficult night because we finished the work very late. It was already 11 p.m. if I'm not wrong, but it was really hard. And today we are going to do some light work because we are very tired from yesterday, which was in the past video for you. And now I'm going to show you what we are going to do. Come with me, please. So today, as I just mentioned, we are not going to do hard work like applying plaster and putty because it's a very tiring job. We are not going to do this because we are tired. And so today we are going to install all the outlets in this living room and kitchen. You can see all these holes in the walls. It's for installing these things here. So that's what we are going to do today, and I hope you enjoy. We are going to take a break now to have lunch because it's already noon and we are very much hungry. So far we have installed 6 outlets, so these 2 here and 4 over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not as easy as it seems, guys, because we have to make sure the boxes, these small boxes here, yellow boxes, they are even with the wall. So it's a hard work, and this yellow tube here is where the wire goes. This one here especially will be the light switch for the kitchen. We still have a lot to do here, but we have to have lunch because we are very hungry. And this putty here is the one we are going to apply in our bedroom over there. And this will be after we finish the outlets. But now let's have lunch. The lunch now, today, will be the leftovers from the last video, which was yesterday. But it's delicious and I'm excited about it. Our food is almost ready, and let me show you what we will have. So here we have some potato. They look good. Over there we have chicken, and here we have some meat, rice from yesterday, and tomato salad. It all looks so delicious.
Delicious.
Welcome to our bedroom. I really love this room of the house because it has the best view. Look at this, guys. Can you imagine waking up here, opening up this window and seeing this? I really love it. So let me show you what we did here today. You saw that Rodrigo was breaking this wall, and this is to pass the tubes where the electricity goes. All the wires will go here, and we will install this on this part here today. This is not all for the electricity in this room, but for today it will have to be because we don't have much time. Let me show you what Rodrigo is doing here in our living room. He is making more plastering putty that we will apply to the walls of our bedroom, and the walls will be like this. It will be a rough plastering, and only after this dries that we make this here. Only after it dries we make it smooth, not on the same day. And let me also show you the progress we made here with the outlets. Do you remember that in the past video this was only holes on the walls? Now it's almost finished. Look at this. And today we were able to install 9 of them. This one here was already installed. We have this one too. This will go to the video game or another appliance that we have. This one is for the TV. It's right in the middle of the wall. This will be the light switch. And here we have one more outlet because there's never enough, right? We want to have here as many as we can. So now we are going to finish this putty and apply it to the wall in our bedroom. It is time to call it a day. We had a very productive one. We could install this tube over here. And you can see the walls are already different. As I told you, we applied the rough putty here. So the next week we can start applying the real one. Because if we don't do this, the putty will not stick well to the wall. So let me show you here this side too. Almost everything finished, so only this part that is missing, but next day when we come here we will show you. And that is it for the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm going to finish this video with this incredible view again. I'll see you on the next video, God willing. Bye!